how to change the language for Toyota Alphard or Vellfire, especially those recon unit from Japan, aka Japan spec. Whether it's Alphard or Vellfire, to change the language, they are the same. So I'll take the Vellfire. There's slight difference compared to the older model because to change the language, you have to change the screen over here individually and here. They are separate, but for this latest model, it's together. You can see now it's in Japanese. Let's go to the setting. The third one with 4 words. And then last. This. There's English, Chinese or Korean. Done. Can you see that? So this is how we change it. Was using Google Translate to know how to change it because I don't know Japanese. Remember, Alphard, Vellfire, to change it, they are the same. What is their difference? You can check my video here. Thank you.